What are we gonna make today? Hot chocolate. Is that the one? Do. You need to buy eggs, huh? Because I'm gonna make muffins for Scarlett. Turn the kettle on, please, Scarlett. Good boy. Put some there. Big ones. Come on, put some in the cup. Come on. It's okay, come on. Quick! Come on, anak. Put it in there. Put some more hot chocolate there, chocolate there. Three more. One. Big one. Bigger. Wow, another one. So we're making what are we making? Hot chocolate. Oh, anak, that's enough. Ang dami na, anak. It's enough na, okay? Let's put the hot water. Can you please move a little bit? So I can put hot water, okay? Don't touch it, huh? Wow. Ooh, stir gently. Wow. We're using brown rice milk. Can I do it, please? Yeah, there. Paul. Sheesh.
Go. Yeah.
Mungo. You wanna put it? Some more. Get milky. Some honey. Oh, honey.
Okay.
Oh no, so no more honey. Come on, honey.
Mom.
Go on then, put your finger in. Be sure. Again, finger. Josh, I don't know. That's enough. You're gonna hold this. Frother. Will we do it?
Yeah.
Watch. You wanna press? Yes, they're spinning. You taste it. It's nice. Oh no. How is it? See, you know what? I think it's okay. No? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say nice.
No.
Nice. Say masarap.
Wah.
Say masarap.
Wah.
Masarap. Dicho, say masarap.
Wah.
Sarap. I'm gonna hide it now. I'm shining like with your hunters. You're a hunter boy. I was a ghost, I was alone. Zig-a-zing, zig-a-zoom.